Look at this. Welcome to Illinois. It is December 20th. Hopefully I won't need this footage. But we got a little bit of snow going on. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. That's okay, I got the Superman car. She's all ready to go. And it's gonna have a dash cam, so we're gonna be good. Alright. Wish me luck. Yeah. Oh my. It don't get much worse than this. But hey, what are you gonna do? I don't have a dog sled. Santa Claus, he's busy. Gotta get home. I'm glad to see gas up to $2.99. Might as well make it $3. Don't try this at home or anybody else's home. Only got about 50 miles to go. Should be good. Gonna get out on the highway and see how that looks. Enjoy. Because I'm not. Okay, this was a bad idea. Because this is Route 80 and it's not plowed. What's up with that? Usually they plow when there's no snow on the ground yet. I don't see one around. That's not a good idea. Interesting. It's only got about 48 miles to go now. Yeah. Snow on the road. Not good. Snow plow. Where you at, birds? Not liking it. I think now would be a good time for a snow plow. You know, it might help out. So we got one lane of cars on the left here, you know, and I just seen the dumbest thing. I seen a semi-truck go on the right side and pass me and like 3 other cars on the right side of the road, going about 50 miles an hour. That's kind of cool. I hope you have a great day. And you don't kill anyone. That would make my day great. Please watch your driver. It's not bad enough it's snowing and I'm going 35, well, actually I'm going 40 miles an hour, which is probably too fast, but then you have shit like this in about 2 seconds. You know, that's real cool. Look how close he is. Look at that. Look, that's wonderful. I like that. Real good. Real good. That's real cool. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. I don't know. Doesn't seem right to me. This thing's getting just a little more snowy. Oh, good. I'm glad this thing's on a tripod. This mother's right on my, oh my. I might videotape this sucker hitting me. Holy schmoly. Hey, hey. I'm gonna punch you right in the penis. Yeah, I said that. That's what I would do. Have a great day. It's real cool. I'm going 40. He must have gone 50. Hey, a snowplow, snowbird. That's good. That's what I want to see. I'm on the wrong side of the road. Go DOT. Shout out. Ah. Now for a little snow music. Do you like the snow when it blows in your face? No, I don't like the snow when it blows in my face. Yo. I hate the snow, I hate the snow. Snow a little more, so a little more. It's just a good snow home. Make a snowman, make it blow. Snow, blow. Make a snowman and put a carrot for his nose. Yeah. Now what? I'm the only car out here. There's like not one car even close behind me. So, let's take a snowball and throw it in your face. Yeah. Okay. Another truck coming like a bat out of... This is crazy. I'm going like almost 40 miles an hour. This sucker coming up behind me like no other. If he hits me, I swear. I swear. Dude. For real. Dang. I can't get your license plate because there's snow all over it. Ew. Ah. Oh, good. Got another one coming. don't think I'm gonna video this one. I think I'm gonna get this the hell out of the way. Oh, heck with it! I'm gonna video it! Because it might hit me and kill me, and then maybe, you know, I don't know. I don't know. Look at that. Look at that! Good Lord! Ah! What the heck? Oh, look at I can zoom on that. Yeah, that's right. I'll get that blade. Yeah, well, you use your blinker. Thank you. Hey. Goodness gracious. I don't understand this work zone thing. You think they're really going to be working tonight? Come on. Oh, what do you know? Bottoms up. Bottoms up, bottoms up. It's only 2 words I know. My tripods are moving. Oh boy, I got some bad news here. And I got some good news first. For bad news. It's not snowing that much. But it's raining. It's raining. I don't like the rain. Now for the good news. Oh, look at there. 69 miles to empty. I'll take that as good news. Ha ha. But yeah, it's raining. I don't like that. I don't know how good the car does on ice. It does okay in the snow. Ice, I don't know. But I'm about off this thing. I only got 9 miles to go, but you know, that 9 miles is going to take me 20 minutes, but that's all right. No truck going to run me over. Just keep thinking about the good news.
If they will fight each other in the rain.
Oh, looks like we might have our first incident of the evening. Looks like it's minor. White van, tinted windows. I wonder if it's that 4 tons of marijuana they found up in the city. Yeah. Well, my 45-minute, 50-minute trip is going on 2 hours. I'm so happy to see the snowplows and the snowbirds, but, you know, it's going on 2 hours. But hey, at least I'm safe behind a couple snow trucks. That pretty much ends this video, I think. I still got like 5 miles to go, but that might take me another 20 minutes. Hope you enjoyed it. Peace, everyone.